Hello, everybody. Look what I have here. I have my January, not February yet. I keep getting the month confused. January Color Play Club sub envelope cherry blossoms. Let's go ahead and open it up. So I did look at the spoilers, like the official ones that Color Street does. I mean, they keep them on the down low, but I did look at those. I honestly can't remember what they were, and I've seen them come up on DStash a couple of times, and I kind of scrolled on by, so I honestly don't know what's in here. I'm excited for this one though, and I'm remembering this time I'm going to smell. Okay, I don't smell any polish. I have had a couple of sub envelopes that had open sets in them, and that's the easiest way to tell is if you just smell your envelope while it's still sealed. And I always forget, so then I end up sticking them back in and then coming back later and smelling. So Color Play Club. Okay, we'll look at that in a second. Move those to the side. So we've got, it looks like 5 full sets. Let's go ahead and let's do it this way. Okay, so Cherry Blooms. My guess is this is the one from the envelope, but we'll see. Oh, yep. There's usually one that matches that. Okay, that's gorgeous. I wonder how sheer that is. So yeah, that's the one that matches the envelope. That's pretty. I love the ombre and the flowers, and yeah, I wonder if that's sheer or not. Because that'll depend. If it's sheer, you'll want to put something under and could even have fun changing the color of it. But if it has a white backing, I think it's gorgeous as is. Okay, I like that one. Okay, Tranquil Koi. Oh, okay. If you're with Shannon, I feel like she's going to love this set. I can't wait to see her video. She's my stylist, so that's very pretty. Very, very pretty. She always wants to win the. So stylists, if they have like the top sales, sometimes they let them design sets, and she wants to make what is it? It's like Asian, Pacific Island, and another awareness month. She wants to do a set for that because there hasn't been much for that, so that's exciting. Falling Petals. Pretty. I wonder if that's white or sheer. If it's an overlay, or I think it could be either. Probably an overlay, but let's see. Okay, Sparkling Peach. So probably something peach. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Okay, and then Jade Whisper. Okay, so this reminds me of just like a. It does seem to have like a green hue to it, but I feel like you could almost use it. It's got like a green shimmer to it. Kind of reminds me of what's it called? Pistachio gelato, but definitely much lighter. And then it also reminds me of what is it? Glass Opal, the one from the Mid-Century Modern box. But it's got some glitter in it. So I feel like these colors are kind of building up in my stash. If I could use this as a white though, or like a neutral, those have a lot of use. But like that off green, when I first opened Glass Opal, I was really excited about it. But then I've kind of been like, well, how do I actually use this? It kind of just reminds me of like glow in the dark, like that vibe that you get with it. Yeah. So, okay. So there's the 5 sets. Let's look at the pamphlet. Let's see what the ideas have. Okay, so they have this one. No, this one it looks like on the front here, just all by itself. And I honestly don't remember what their official spoiler was. That might have been it. I don't know. So this month, turn your nails into a spring canvas with the Color Play Club's Cherry Blossoms curation. The January selection features graceful, tranquil glitter and shimmer designs that capture the essence of Sakura season. Mix and match these delicate selections or create your own nail look that will surely blossom. So this definitely has probably what a Japanese kind of vibe. I love it. Okay, so the first one, Cherry Blossoms. This white to strawberry pink ombre glitter with cherry blossom motifs is a blooming beauty. And it's a glitter. So glitter there. And then Tranquil Koi. Discover the serenity of a garden pond with a soft pink to aqua gradient glitter with wave and koi fish motifs. A glitter design. And then Falling Petals. It just says a glitter. So the sheer cloudy white shade with pink and gold glitter is like a sparkling flurry of petals. Oh, they've got a little typo there. They have an extra S. That's funny. Okay, so it's cloudy. So I wonder if that's going to be fun. It's a fun one. Okay, and then I would have been honestly happy with over white. I think an overlay is great, and then like I'm excited about a kind of that they call cloudy. I'm excited about that too. So, and then sparkling peach. Meet under the cherry blossom tree with this soft pink shade with pink and gold glitter floral motifs, and they're calling it a glitter. No surprises there. I wonder, always if it's sheer or not. These especially, I wonder. Jade Whisper, this pink flashed. Trying to see the pink. Maybe it's subtle. Like I feel like I almost have to imagine to see, and it could just be my lighting, or I wonder how it is in the sun. Kind of looking at what, yeah, it's going to be even harder to see on camera, but in person, I feel like I kind of have to. Oh, there, I kind of caught it. Yeah, I think I caught it there. Very subtle. This pink flash light green shimmer evokes the renewal of spring, and it's a glitter design. So there you have it. I am excited about these sets. Very pretty, and this is good timing because I know like January seems kind of early for like spring sets, but like it's early enough that spring's not that far away. And honestly, by the time February rolls, I'm ready to start doing spring ones and just pretend like winter's over. Although our winter hasn't been bad this year. Some of these would be fun for Valentine's Day, like the pinks, and yeah, but yeah, this box definitely worth it. Some fun sets here. Excited about these. I'll have to link Shannon, my stylist. I'll try to link her in the comment or in the description, because I think she opens it and tests sheerness, and I really want to know what the sheerness is, and that's probably something that you're interested in too. And also I'm excited to see what her thoughts are on this one. Anyway, so there you have it. There's this month's box, and thanks for tuning in with me. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will catch you guys on the next one.